the heritage listed beauty that's getting sold in 4 days. It's absolutely beautiful. Now we come in and straight here is these beautiful stained glass windows that are destroyed. I don't know really much about the history on this house, but I need to do more research. I feel like it's a boarding house because there's so many bathrooms with numbers on them. Old cupboard, and it's very dangerous, this house. But yeah, and a lot of kitchens. So we come over here, stoves, a kitchen. It's actually still got the wok on there. Shower. Pretty cool. Yeah, I just don't know. Another like toilet. Now we come into the hallway, bathroom. After bathroom, this one looks like the girls' bathroom, I'm not sure. A secret little cupboard. Another bathroom. In here we have, I don't know, maybe lounge room, dining room, kind of looks like. Nice cupboard. Nice furniture. And then over here, we come into like a sunroom or some sort, and there's the entry to the front door. And here's like some furniture storage, I'm not sure. Yeah, and then we come into this nice, beautiful room looking out to the ocean. Downstairs to the backyard. It's got a little shed. Got another, and then another room. So that's obviously the front entrance. And there's also a downstairs like basement sort of thing. But it's like another cupboard, and there's my sticker. That one there. Yeah, so we'll take you upstairs now. Up these dodgy stairs I fell down. Fell on that one. And I'm doing this in slides, or bongs, or whatever you want to call them. And you actually can see the roof from up here. But yeah. These stairs are okay. And then you get the view. A beautiful tower view. Now, it is just beautiful. And if you come up here, just stunning. But look at that view. It's beautiful. And there is my sticker again. Now, we will show you the view. 360 view. The beach, really nice. Now we'll go down these stairs. Look, it's extremely dangerous. I could just fall straight down to the first floor. So I wonder how much this house is going to sell for in 4 days' time. I don't know who's going to buy it, to be honest. But if they do, I just hope they restore it. I think it's undoable, but it's not doable, but yeah. Alright, we'll take you guys downstairs now. And yeah. Alright, now we'll go downstairs. This here. It's like on Forder's house down here, like all the junk and all the broken bits of the house. So there's like a weird drainage thing in there where the pipes go, old oven, all timber of the house. And this place on the bottom level has been stripped, and I'm guessing that's the timber. So some kids have actually made a sesh spot down here, which is very creative. They've dragged all the chairs of the house and decided to have a party in here. They come here after school with their mates and have some fun. They also painted this weird essay. But yeah, that's their little hangout spot. So that's about it on this house. If you guys enjoyed, like and subscribe to see more, and yeah, follow me on Instagram as well.